What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet, Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I am back with an early look at a Hat Club drop that's going to be releasing tomorrow. Now, these hats are pretty calm, but the side patches is where it's at. The collection is called My Name Is. I have the Mets here. So this is a black Mets hat. I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a look at that patch. First, as y'all can see, it's very reminiscent of the stickers that say My Name Is, and then you have the blank space, of course, to put your name. So all of the hats in this collection have that same patch on there. And this is a black crown, black visor Mets with that orange Mets logo. Simple, clean, effective. On the back, you have the flat Batterman, red, white, and blue. White New Era flag on the side, so not tonal this time around. Kelly green UV with the white sweatband. Very, very nice hat. I like this collection. I like the idea of it. You know, the customization, that's obviously kind of the focal point. You can put whatever you want in that blank space right there. Decorate it however you want. You could decorate the whole hat if you really want to. It's like a blank canvas right there for you. I'm gonna be honest off rip, my handwriting is not the best. So I'm gonna see what I could do. I have some alcohol markers over here next to me. Hopefully they're gonna work. The hat is 100% polyester, made in China. 100% polyester, made in China. So I'm gonna take that to mean that the patch is polyester as well. So I don't know how the alcohol markers that I have are going to mesh with that, but I guess we'll see. I don't have a second one, so let's hope that I don't mess this up. I thought the camera was recording the whole time that I was drawing, but it wasn't. And maybe that was a good thing because I did butcher it a little bit, just a little bit. It's not bad. The markers just spread way more than I was expecting. So as soon as I put that first line down, I was like, I don't know about this, but yeah, here's my bubble letters. I wanted to put heat, and then I noticed that I did it a little bit too far to one side, so I added the exclamation point. I wanted to put like some just spots around it, but the markers show up, you know, a different color on that blue area, which I should have anticipated, but I didn't. So it is what it is. I just kind of turned my mistakes into these two stars that, you know, are also not perfect, but like I told y'all from the beginning, my handwriting, my drawing is suspect at best. So I'm actually pretty proud of the way that it turned out. Here's one more look at how it turned out. I'm sure y'all at home could do a much better job than me, but I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. I already got my outfit laid out, so I'm looking forward to this one. It's just a cool little thing to do. Just add your personal flair. Out of the collection, I do think that the Met is the best one, in my opinion, but I know a lot of people really like the Detroit and the Philly. So down below in the comment section, let me know what you're picking up. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I would really appreciate it. And I will check y'all out in the next one.